Now that I have captured your attention, I wanna steal you for a rhythm intervention. Mr. T, you say I'm ready for adventure.
Welcome to my video, and then this is the first one, and then this is the meat, and the two ones are red, and this one it looks like that there's rice in here, and then you have to put the meat in here, and then this one. And then this one, you have to put it in the oven so it gets hot for a while, and then you close it, and then press this button, and then this one starts. See? And that's how that is supposed to make the hamburger hot. And then when it's 3 zeros over here, that means it's done. See? And then pick it up, and then close it up, and that's how you ate the hamburger. And then you have to eat, if you have to eat it after you cook it, like this. So that's how I cook. So bye. See you next time. Bye.
I'm ready for